Hey guys, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm reviewing the Whirlpool 440-litre IntelliFresh refrigerator. Now this one comes with a 465-litre capacity and a 500-litre capacity as well. Now the IntelliFresh range has been created with the thought that you need a technology that adapts to your needs and usage patterns. Powered by the 6th Sense IntelliSensor and SealFresh technology, this one ensures 12 days of freshness for your stored fruits and vegetables. It also comes with an advanced feather touch control panel that adapts to your needs. So be it controlling temperature of the refrigerator, making ice faster or saving energy, everything happens with just one touch. Let's explore this one. And that's how easy it is. Now let's understand some of the star features one by one. Friends, this refrigerator is equipped with Whirlpool's AI-powered microprocessor. It's also deployed with 3 IntelliSensors that are smart enough to understand your unique needs. Basically, all of this in simpler words means better cooling and independent functioning with minimum supervision. Next up, the Whirlpool IntelliFresh refrigerator comes with something called the SealFresh technology. It has the humidity lock solution that keeps your fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. This, along with the twin seal crispers, adapts to your needs and constantly monitors optimum level of freshness for everything that's stored inside. The IntelliFresh technology also customizes the cooling level to not just preserve milk products, but also keeps them fresh for as long as 7 days. This fridge is also equipped with the adapter shelves. This Whirlpool exclusive feature adapts to different storage needs and ensures the most customizable space management system. So you can easily store big utensils without any kind of worry. Friends, filling ice trays is one of those little things that we all like to procrastinate. Well, not anymore. The active water docking system here ensures utmost ease with filling your ice trays. Let's check it out. Power cuts are common during summers. Keeping that in mind, Whirlpool has equipped this refrigerator with the IntelliSense inverter technology. This automatically changes the cooling level and adapts to the internal electricity load. This not only reduces energy consumption, but also ensures an unmatched performance during power cuts. In the case of a power outage, it automatically connects to the home inverter and delivers consistent cooling to maintain long-lasting freshness. So friends, summing it up for you, I think your long painful search for a perfect cooling companion ends right here. The Whirlpool IntelliFresh refrigerator is a powerful cooling machine that will become an ideal help for your family in no time at all. So just go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me today. Have a perfect buy.